Hi friends, welcome back to Grand Cooking. Today we are making mackerel fish fry. So let us see the ingredients first. Ginger and garlic, curry leaves, coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 3 tomatoes. Put everything in a mixie jar. Salt to taste. 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Without adding water, grind it to a paste. Take 1.5 kilos of mackerel fish. Cut the fish as shown in the video so it marinates well. Today my brother is gone out, so I'm doing the voiceover. I hope you will like it. Coming back to the recipe, cut all the fishes in a similar way. Apply the masala thoroughly. Make sure it fills the cuts. Once the masala is applied to all the fishes, cover and keep it aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take a frying pan and smear it with oil. Place the fishes on the pan. Cover the pan and fry it. Let the fish cook on low flame. After 8 minutes, flip the fish and fry it in the same way. Similarly, fry all the fish. And your mouth-watering, delicious, yummy in the tummy. Fish fries ready. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great eating. See you tomorrow. Love you all. Take care. Bye.